Hi everyone. Firstly, I'd like to just say thanks to Fintech North and Dynamo Northeast for inviting us to speak today. We've been very much heads down for the first couple of years as a business, but today marks the start of us actively becoming more involved in the fintech community and hopefully also shining a light on the importance of design for fintech startups and scale ups. So, who are we? We are a fintech design studio, and although we're proud to be a remote first design studio, we have a team distributed across London, Belfast, and Newcastle, with a bit of a hub in Newcastle. And that's where my co founder Luke and I met. We were living and working together as lead designers at a big agency where we designed digital products from the ground up for big enterprise business across the world. So what do we do? We are a UI, UX, and branding studio specifically for fintech startups and enterprise. Our first real exposure to fintech and insurtech startups was working with one of the companies who's sharing the stage today, Honcho. Good to see you, Tom. It was our first glimpse really into how ripe for disruption the financial sector is. It was where we really discovered our niche, helping founders who have found non-traditional routes to traditional financial services. And they were targeting those innovators and early adopters, usually aged between 16 and 35, digitally native, who are actively seeking products that inspire their sense of fun and adventure. And the sticking point, really, for most startups is that they've done the hard work of moving the antiquated service online, but then the users expect really slick experiences too. And they're not interested in the finance or technology of fintech. All they want is a slick, frictionless experience that also happens to be visually attractive. And that's where the buying steps in. We help round off those square edges for fintech products. And we work across three key areas: pre-build for ideation. We facilitate design sprints, workshops, and pre-investment prototyping, which we actually have a 100% success rate in. And just the last year, our prototypes have helped raise over 2.5 million in Series A funding across three projects. Full build, we work as part of an integrated in-house dev team. We help them design first versions of their digital products. And lastly, we work with businesses that have already proved their product in the market and are looking to scale up and optimize their product. So who have we worked with? We work with a diverse range of products and brands outside of fintech, but ultimately fintech is at the core of what we do. And notably, some of the products we've helped craft recently are Honcho, the insurtech disruptor who's with us today. We helped build them from V1 to where they are today. Dines, who originally started as a restaurant discount platform, we helped transform them during the restaurant crisis of the pandemic into a mobile ordering and payment system. Tembo, a mortgage tech startup who's helping more first-time buyers get on the property ladder. You'll hear a lot more from Tembo in the coming months and years. And Mojo Mortgages, the online mortgage broker. They're taking everything online and streamlining the whole mortgage process. Mojo came to us initially to help increase their appointment bookings, but we were actually able to increase those numbers by 400%. And off the back of that work, we've been Mojo's complete design team for the last 12 months. And currently we're in the process of rolling out their new brand. So keep an eye on that. Now I'm conscious I've only got 5 minutes to introduce us, but I'd like to leave you with this. Money management is complex enough, and especially given the financial situation our next generation find themselves in. Given that fact, money management is going to be more important than ever before. And our mission is to encourage our future generations to enjoy managing their finances by designing frictionless and magnetic digital products. Now, I don't think it's a secret that the majority of financial services appear antiquated and overly complex to the next generation. However, with great pain comes the opportunity for digital transformation and disruption. And hopefully, over our lifetimes in the bang, we can partner as the design arm to fintech founders that want to take on the nearly impossible and win. Thank you for your time. On to you, Joe.
Cheers, Andy. No, that's brilliant. And yeah, welcome to Fintech North. Really glad to have you as part of the community, and looking forward to getting you involved in other events down the line. And yeah, you're absolutely right. Fintech has the massive potential to impact